Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed and honest review of Craft, a note-taking and document app that many people are now calling a real Notion competitor. If you've ever felt like Notion is powerful but messy, overwhelming, or just too much for everyday note-taking, Craft might be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, we'll find an answer to the question, can Craft actually overtake Notion? Let's get started. At its core, Craft is a modern note-taking and document app designed around clarity, structure, and beautiful writing. But Craft isn't just another notes app. Everything in Craft is built using a block-based system, meaning every paragraph, list, image, or task lives as its own movable block. This means organizing, restructuring, and expanding your ideas extremely fluid. What immediately stands out about Craft is how polished and intentional everything feels. From fonts and spacing to animations and transitions, Craft is clearly designed for people who enjoy writing, reading, and thinking inside their notes. Craft works across desktop, web, phone, and tablet with fast syncing and strong offline support. That means you can write long documents on your laptop, then quickly check or edit them on your phone without friction. Craft is especially popular with writers and bloggers, students and researchers, content creators, professionals who prefer clean documentation, and people who want structure without complexity. So instead of trying to be everything for everyone, Craft focuses on being excellent at writing-centric productivity. Now, what are the main features of Craft? We start with document-first writing experience. Craft is built around documents, not databases. You can create long-form articles, meeting notes, study notes, personal journals, project documentation, and so on. The editor feels smooth, distraction-free, and fast. Formatting is intuitive and your documents automatically look polished without much effort. Block-based editing. Just like Notion, Craft uses blocks, but the difference is simplicity. Blocks are easy to rearrange, nest, duplicate, convert, and you don't feel like you're managing a system, you're just writing and organizing naturally. This makes Craft excellent for people who want structure but don't want to micromanage their workspace. How about spaces, folders, and organization? Craft organizes content using spaces, which are like high-level work areas. Inside each space, you can create folders, subfolders, nested documents, and this makes it easy to separate work notes from personal notes, from creative projects and client work. It's very intuitive and doesn't require a learning curve like complex database systems. There's also task and calendar integration. Craft allows you to add tasks directly inside documents, and you can turn text into to-dos, you can assign dates and view tasks in the calendar view. This works well for personal productivity and light planning, but it's not meant to replace full project management tools. There's also the AI writing tools. Yes, Craft includes AI features that help you generate ideas, rewrite or summarize content, and improve clarity and tone. This is especially useful for writers, students, and professionals who want to speed up their workflow without switching apps. Collaboration and sharing. Craft supports real-time collaboration, shared spaces, and public document sharing. You can easily share documents with teammates, with clients, or your audience while keeping everything visually clean and professional. Now, what is the pricing like? There's the free plan, which costs nothing, $0 to sign up. There's the plus plan at $8 per month, and there's the family plan at $15 per month. These prices stand when you do the yearly subscription. But if you decide to pay monthly, you pay $10 per month for the plus and $16 per month for the family. What are the pros and cons of using Craft? First, the pros. It has a beautiful and polished interface. It's excellent for writing and has an excellent reading experience. It also has fast performance and smooth syncing. How about the cons? There are no advanced databases like Notion, and it's limited for project and task management. It is not ideal for large teams. So here's the big question once again. Can Craft overtake Notion? The honest answer is it depends on the user. If you're someone who values clean design, writing flow, simple organization, a calm workspace, then yes, Craft can absolutely replace Notion for you. But if you rely on heavy databases, advanced project tracking, complex workflows, and large team collaboration, then Notion still has the edge. And that's it on the review of the Craft app. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Notion, Obsidian, and Evernote. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.